Hi, this is a demonstration of the Eurostart BRS5 remote engine starter kit installed in this very brand new 2023 Mini Cooper 5-door. This is a plug-and-play remote starter, so there's no cutting or splicing into the vehicle's wiring. And with this remote starter, you have three options to remote start the vehicle. You can use long-range two-way remote controls. You can use a smartphone app so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. And you can start it using the factory key fob, which I'll demonstrate now. Start the vehicle, just press the lock button 3 times. And on the last press and hold it for 2 seconds. The park lights will confirm, and in a few seconds it will start up. There it is, it's now running. And with this remote starter, it can also activate the driver's and passenger's heated seats at your desired temperature level settings, as long as the interior temperature in the vehicle is below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit when you remote start the vehicle. And the default runtime for the remote starter is 15 minutes. And if you'd like to turn it off before that, you can simply just press the unlock button and then the lock button again. To find a dealer near you, please see the Eurostart website, www.eurostart.com, and click on the dealer locator link. Thanks for watching.